Hey, just trying to get stuff vaguely kind of set up, I guess. Let me pop out the chat here. We're gonna have to redo this, of course. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of start somewhat early, get going, because this computer is different from the one that I've done the other parts on. So that'll have to move there, and there's probably maybe definitely like a window rule or something that could be applied to this. So if I put this window right in the corner there and drag it down on top of the other window, boom. This Emacs window is no window. What happens if I slime? It doesn't exist. Why does it not exist? Oh. There's a problem v-forking, it looks like. That's weird. Okay, so I guess we're going to be outside of Emacs. So we need to actually install Lisp. I think we... Okay, we're upgrading it. Cool. Thanks, Homebrew. So now what we actually need to do is go to the... What's it called? Yeah, Quick Lisp Bootstrap. Because... Wait, okay, hang on. Quicklisp.org. This is the one. Okay, installation. You just download quicklisp.lisp into our downloads, I guess. And then spcl --load downloads quicklisp.lisp, and then it'll work. So we evaluate quicklisp-quickstart :install, and tab completion doesn't do anything because this is a inferior REPL as opposed to a superior one like Slime. And so that's there, and I think we're good for now. What we need to do now is actually install the Slime extension, though. So wait, okay. QL quick load quicklisp slime helper. Copy this, and paste it. Boom, here we go. Quicklisp slime helper. Cool, so now if we exit, yeah, that works. Alright, Emacs NW F slime. Does we has a slime? No, he doesn't. Slime. Alright. Okay. So now Emacs, and I meant to go no window, but whatever. So what happens if we metax slime now? No such file directory Lisp. I'm going to just go and edit my packages file because this is kind of silly. Inferior Lisp program. Init set q. Because I've been setting it in this use package custom blocked, but it seems to not be working. So Emacs -nw, so we can see the behind there. Oh dear, I don't know what that was. Okay, one more time. Okay, and then now we go slime. inferior Lisp program. Oh, it's because it's being set by slime itself. Okay, so anyway, what we need to do is rename that to sbcl. Just make that the variable, and then we go slime again, and boom, it works. We'll make that our only window, and we'll blow it up several... Wait. No. Wait. No, okay. There we go. We'll keep increasing the size here. And then we'll go to a different buffer, I guess. Problem is that font size is like broken because of reasons. So here we are in a slime REPL, I guess. Okay, what else needs to happen? I don't know if we actually are going to need... Oh yeah, let me go to... Oh, not Code Monkeys. It was Giga Monkeys. What am I doing? I'm a little baka there. Giga Monkeys. Common Lisp. Boom. And we're going to send this to the left side realm. That's what was going on there. So how unwide can it get? And put it here. Okay. So last time we were working through syntax and semantics, and it got pretty boring. I was just like, I was going way too slowly, I think. Lisp syntax is really not complicated enough to spend this long on. Macros maybe, but there's a whole chapter about them. Truthiness only should take like a moment to mention. Lisp formatting, Emacs does it for you, so who cares? And that's pretty much actually it for that chapter. Functions. Again, I'm mostly just looking ahead to see what we might need to have to deal, what to go over and what not to go over. I think that I should go more at my own pace for this because otherwise it's boring. If I go too fast, I don't understand. If I go too slow, then we're just over-explaining now, aren't we? Functions exist. There are function parameters. We did some funky parameters in the last one. Unbound parenthesis parameters are nil. But they've got also supplied, I guess. Okay, that's a little bit weird. So basically, there is some interesting stuff to go over with functions and variables. The main thing with variables is type and scope, and types are just types, but scope is kind of weird. Okay. I shouldn't really go... Okay. Practical building a unit test framework. All right, so there we go. This works, right? The question is though, can I get I don't know the answer to this, what I'm asking. If we go to, I haven't cared about this since the first time I cared was after the last time I actually used this Mac system here. So what we want is edit. We want to add an input source for. Wait, INU has. Wow, I didn't know that I thought the Japanese wiped them out hundreds of years ago. We love our cute little overlords, right? Don't we? Okay. Caps lock action. I don't know whether that'll work or not because my caps lock is rebound to escape. We'll see. Shift key enters room. I'm going to do shift key for katakana. That sounds fun. Live conversion, correct spelling. Windows lecture. I don't know what that means. I don't use Windows enough for this. Fonts exist, kind of. Punctuation is fine. All right, cool. So how do we switch input method then? There's this thingy. So if I go over to Japanese there, I go. Okay, all right, I like that. How do I how do I what I care about is input. Okay, control space and control alt space does it. So if I do then a control space, that becomes, and I can okay. But that might have a different effect in Emacs. So if I do control space, okay, no, that doesn't. And then we uncontrol space, and then it does not work. And the reason it does not work is because the quotation marks are the wrong kind of quotation marks. But if we put them at the right kind of quotation marks, it works. And now we need to actually do the real test, which is does it know? It knows the song title. Yes. All right. It works. It works. I believe it works. You can't tell me it doesn't not works. Oh wait, no, that's exactly what you should be telling me. Now, there's two other things that I want to, or there's one other thing that I can think of, and definitely another thing that I'm not thinking of. I want to see if there's a way that I can view these stats without actually having to go over here, even though I only have one screen. Because I'd like to have multiple screens. So if I go live, right, let me delete that thing. Okay. The thing is, I am live right now. What if I go to just the YouTube app and then to my channel and then to this and I say, okay, it shows this here. Let me do a little awkward sound feedback. Okay, it shows this here. Let me do a little awkward sound feedback. Okay, so that is what it is. Sounds fine, I think. I think that sounds fine. I'm also going to open up a new... Oh, hey, no, that's not what I meant to do. Don't look at my stuff. Now if I do... Okay, now we've got two comments sections there. So what if I want to... Okay, fine, I'll just open a new tab for YouTube. But, 12 hours of royalty-free background music. Perfect. Oh, do you feel that? I feel that. It feels like we're, it feels so much more big and real than all the other times I've ever played music like this. Let me just pause this and see how it sounds on the playback on my phone here. Sounds on the playback on my phone here. Okay, so overall I'd say that's pretty... something. Why can I not edit this video? Why can't I not look at the live analytics? I have a little bit of analytics available inside of this. But not inside of there, of course. My most popular video by 2 orders of magnitude is a 48-second short I did a year ago called Luke Smith Be Like, only it's not even a short, because it's sideways. So I can edit my channel. I can replace the pictures. Hey, welcome to the stream. This is just the pre-stream. We're not actually doing anything. But yeah, so what I'm trying to figure out is if there's a way that I can look at these analytics right here without having to like move over to them, because I'd much rather not. Also, okay, settings. We've got Japanese input working. It's just control space to switch, and it's got like a native pop-up, and it's all nice. I like that. Is the music too loud? Please let me know if the music is too loud. Maybe there's no way, but I don't like that. Maybe I just shouldn't care about these analytics here. But screw it, I do. Yeah, wait, so here's the thing, is my chat has already popped out over here. Yes, there. But I can close the chat, and I can pop out this chat now, and say chat test in English, of course. Boom, chat test, a test of the chat. Go over here And oh, I could make everything smaller. Why didn't I think of that? Put more stuff into the Emacs window there. Sure, whatever. Doesn't have to be super orderly organized. Just enough to work, you know, just to look okay. That kind of thing. But so after this stops getting any smaller. Why is this why is this so? Yeah. Maybe if I put this on here, and I put it behind everything else, and I put it like actually all the way behind everything else. Like all the way, actually, actually the way behind it. Okay, that's too much. So I need to make it so that these don't have any side scrolling. Boom, okay. And go over there. And then be able to see this, but that's not enough though. Maybe if I go from this side. Okay, no, it's not enough. Maybe if I inspect element and I find the bit that is we're just going to delete that element. Just make it go away. Wait, what about the iron pages? Okay, this bit. So we're gonna make this bit go away. So now it's gone. Wait. Okay, the live chat renderer. This is the part that we're gonna make go away. Now, since the live chat renderer is gone, it should. I say should. It should be possible to. What's the live chat container class? Delete that maybe? There we go. Okay, so I just have to delete the container that all of the containers are inside of, and then this will shrink down quite a bit better. I'm not completely happy with that, but I am mostly happy with that. Happy enough. Just want to adjust the scale, the size, the shape, locations of everything. We'll stick that. Oh, the problem is the mode line though, so if I put this there, and then we pull down. There we go. Pull down on that without compromising the other thing. Boom. Okay, now I can see the viewers, and I can see the chat rate, and I can see the views total. And I can see on my Emacs, and if I pull this up, I can also see this. But I also kind of can't see the graph there, which is the fun part. So why does this not? It does compress more. That's the most it seems to be able to compress though. Alright. That's like half of enough, though. Or maybe I could make everything on the right there smaller. But, yeah, I don't know. Something like that. Something like that, right, chat? Also, the chat works, right? Okay, what am I missing? I've got my face cam, I've got the chat, I've got the book, I've got Emacs, I've got slime working, I've got a little file open here. I have Japanese input working. Not that I intend to use it seriously or even for fun much, but it's nice to have. And I have the stream page here for the sake of, I don't know, not having to swipe over and check it all the time. By the way, this is the music I'm listening. It doesn't matter at all. And boom, recursion. Don't you just love recursion? I don't know what else I'm missing. I'm just gonna have to find that later. I can't believe that there's not a way to let me schmoogle this. Okay. I guess I could always just use the desktop page on... Okay, that's way more involved than I want. So what I need to actually do is go to a new tab, and I need to go to studio.youtube.com, I guess live streaming. And then I need to make sure it's the desktop site so it stops redirecting me to the app. Boom, analytics, there we go. Alright, if I go to the side there, I can scroll down. Okay. I don't love this format. It is very much feels squeezed. Let me go to, see if there is a page scale. What happens if I pop out chat? Okay, that just creates a new tab, but then I can't really inspect, can I? I can view source, but I can't... Okay, forward, bookmark, download, share, reload. New tab, new private tab, history, downloads, bookmarks, wallet, recent tabs, find and page, translate, add to home screen, settings, VPN, rewards, news, exit. None of those are what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is a way to like have just a little analytics bit there. It doesn't show the thing. It doesn't show the thing in like the whole frame though. See how it's like. Wait, there we go. Yeah. See how it's like only part of it. This is the more recent part, but this is the part that has all the. Scroll up a little bit. There's the part that has all the stats. Wait, really? Hi, 3 people are watching us somehow. So this is what I'm trying to work out right now, is this view that you see on the screen, I don't want to like have to bury it under all my other windows. It gets to be too much. But if I put it over here, then I have to keep scrolling back over there every time I want to check it, which is like kind of breaks the meta. So in order to avoid both of those, I was thinking, what if I like pulled it up on my phone? And it seems like you can't do it from the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app, so I'm trying the desktop site of it because my browser can do that. But the scaling is like completely off, and if I do like this, ooh, there we go. No, it's still pop out chat and then close the tab that it makes. But then you still have the same problem that basically you like can't see the concurrent viewers and the end of... See how it's like now? It's like, you can't. Basically, the graph is going to get stretched either way, and it's being rendered in like an iframe that can't show the whole thing. It's probably not actually an iframe. Because if it were, then we could just go to the source. Chotamate. That's an idea. I'm going to inspect. Wait, Command-Shift-I for inspect. That's where you... That's... I didn't mean to do... No, I don't want to mail. I don't want emails. I don't care about... Don't save. I want to inspect. Where did the inspect button go? There it goes. So I want to see if there is somewhere up here. It's a flex. Oh wait, hang on. This is the part we want. Widgets, container, layout, vertical flow, blah blah blah. Lots of styles. Okay. So this is the div we're looking for. Is there a way to isolate just? No, it's not. Exit isolation mode. That doesn't seem to be working. But perhaps... Wait, how does it actually render though? Dashboard analytics render. Yeah, because this part. Can we, focus that maybe? Oh wait, no, we are focusing that already. That doesn't... I don't know what that does. Does it do anything? You can't just like unfocus it. So... Oh, I should have used hide element for the other thing. Oh. Computed. I don't care about changing any of this stuff. Yeah. You know what? Because I don't. What I do know is that just having this window here isn't all that big a deal. I can just kind of... Well, I'm assuming it's more like over to the side there. Just so that there's no... Okay. Right, so if I'm here, I can just... if I'm here, I can just kind of briefly peek over and then go back. And I may do so. You can't stop me. Only I can stop me, and I shan't. So that's where we are with that, and I'm... I don't know, I guess reasonably happy with that setup. Again, for the whole thing with Lisp, I kind of have to... I think I'm gonna try and skip to the practical here, because there's not a whole lot of the stuff between chapters 4 and 8 are not super interesting or involved. So I will announce that when the stream starts, which is probably going to be in, I don't know, a few hours or something, and I'll make an announcement on the social medias about that. Okay, yeah, that's all. Let me, I can't unpop the chat. Okay, I'll just close it, and then, bye.